So what is a capacitor and what is its job? The job of the capacitor is to store energy for your compressor and for your fan motor, whether it's in your air handler or whether it's in your condenser. Its job is to store that voltage and provide it to the compressor and the fan to give it that extra juice to make sure that it's going to turn on. Also too, you want to make sure if you are going to replace your capacitor that you are getting the proper voltage, the proper amount of prongs on the top, and also to the microfarads, which it's going to say plus or minus on the front of it, and you want to make sure you get the correct, like this one says 80 plus 7.5 microfarads, and it's going to have a percentage on how high it can go and how low it can go. Now, if it fails, it's usually going to be because of bloating. So either you're going to have bloating around the cylinder or you're going to have bloating on the top, and that just means that the chemicals inside is overheating and your capacitor has failed or is failing. Another thing too, you can catch it with a preventative maintenance with our voltmeters. We can check the microfarads on it and see if it's past, like this one states, the 5%, and if it's over the recommended microfarads, then we know it's time to replace your capacitor, or if it's close to that number. And also too, one of the worst enemies of any HVAC system, which is corrosion, whether you have corrosion on the prongs or you have corrosion on the clamps that are connecting to the prongs. Corrosion causes resistance, which then causes your system to struggle to get the correct voltage to whatever component it is needing. So if you want to know more about capacitors or you want to know more about HVAC in general, keep watching our videos, and there's definitely more to come.